Yeah, tell me now. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, tell me. What is the doubt regarding anything?
सर बिफोर 15 मिनट मैंने क्लास लेफ्ट कर दी थी,
Okay,
मुझे वो कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया था। एक्चुअली मेरा ऑफिस का टाइम हो रहा था।
okay. Let me check. Before 15 minutes, okay.
हाँ,
No worry, we can start again. So, okay. Uh, this part is okay for you? Like card visualization is okay?
हाँ, ओके।
So this formatting is okay. Yeah. So guys, yesterday we do some of the measure creation and visualization. Like what type of measure creation we are done yesterday. See in this, let me check. See, there is a different types. Like yesterday we create about total quantity sold. This kind of visualization. Okay. Like we have a total country data. Like how much is a unique country. Okay. So see, when you put the country location ID and you can choose the count distinct, okay? Because count distinct provide you the unique value of data. Like you have total, like in our data in our main head, we have a total of 97, total of suppose 1000 of country or 2000 of country. But when you click on the count distinct, it tells you so unique number of country in which you sold the data or sold the quantity. Okay. And like same as total product, same as total order, same as total customer. लाइक हमारे पास जो डाटा होगा उसके अंदर सपोज 15,000 कॉलम हो सकते हैं, 15,000 रो भी हो सकती है। ओके, सो उसके अंदर जितने भी यूनिक वैल्यू होंगी काउंट स्ट्रिंग के अंदर वो कैलकुलेट होगा। मतलब काउंट स्ट्रिंग, in the count string there is only a unique value of item. Okay, and third things, we are into the table format, and yesterday we calculated the profit as per the date. See, there is a total profit percentage we have on the basis of sales is 32.52%. In every case, it is the same value, 32.52. But when we calculate the profit percentage by date, this one, profit percentage by date, it means, yeah, profit percentage by date. Okay, yeah. This one, see, this calculated by that first we calculate the all total profit by date, and then profit percentage by date is total profit and multiply by all total profit. Okay, so we have a date of profit and then we divided it to date by. See, in 2018 we have a total 32.52 profit का 40% we have in 2018. 2019 we have 41 and 2020 we have 17.95. It means total profit percentage is 100%. Okay, suppose today we are discuss about like this random, and for the next measure we are creating a one table in which we have a 20 customer. It means a top 20 customer on the basis of sales, and some of the conditional formatting we do. Like click on this table and there is an option in the formatting tools, go to conditional formatting. Okay, so there is a background color, font color, this kind of formatting you can done, icon also. Okay, so this kind of conditional formatting we have done. And last thing, some of the like chart we have done, like total sales price and total profit by quarter, this kind of. And when you click on this, there is a date and quarter because we have selected only quarter wise date, and total sales and total profit. And same in the date type of column. See, date, profit by date, this percentage, and profit by date. This is one like profit by date, like this profit. See, this profit is calculated by this formula, and this profit by date calculated by this formula. It means both the finding of this profit are the different, but answer will be the same. So there is a many reason in Power BI or in Excel also. Suppose in Excel, if you found a one thing by the two or three method, there is a different method to founding a one thing. Like if we have found a profit, so there is a different DAX measure you can found as per your requirement, and you have some knowledge about DAX. So that is the reason that what is DAX and how to use DAX, what is the condition, like you said earlier, that how we identify that which DAX we use in which situation. Okay, so when you make a practice day by day and starting again and again, then you have knowledge about how to use DAX and in which condition, what kind of DAX you are preparing. And now today we have some of the relating some major rating on the basis of sales, like on the page of set. Next page. Okay. See, I create a one table, and in table I put the suppose state. Total we have a state this one, and go to key measure. Check. So we have a total state of this one, and key measure we have a total sales price. Total sales we have, and we have a profit, total profit. Yeah, this one. Total profit, total quantity sold we have, this one. Sales and total profit. Now we have a profit percentage. See, the profit percent 32.52 means it is on the basis of sales. Now we want total profit on the basis of state. Okay, location wise. So see, uh, I remove because yesterday we creating and we missed something. What is something? Let me tell you. Go to this new measure. Profit percentage by location of, you can write it here, the state. And var total profit is a your like a calculation of I think you have assigned a variable is equal to total profit, means one variable you have already kept the total profit, so you assign one variable for total profit and second variable for all total profit only by state. It means total profits, profit, okay, and all means state wise, you need a state wise profit. So location, and you can send the state, select the state and click enter. Done. See, when you're doing some error, see, it will showing you the red mark. It means your step is showing the error. Okay, if you go to back and return, and then when it's back on the blue color, it means you have write a same correct things. Return, and now we are going to divide total, this one. This is one variable and all total profit. This when you put it enter, your profit by state is ready. Okay, yeah, this one. And when you put it here, see your total percentage is there, and when you profit by state and percentage, see, it means your complete value is there now. So we have a first we have a profit of 32.52. It is a total profit we have in our data. It means a sales minus cost, we have a profit, and profit percentage we have a profit per divided by total sales. But this profit is profit by state, showing you that how much is we have a total profit divided into different kind of state. It means 32.52% profit divided into different kind of state within a total of 100%. It means this 100% is a 32.52%. Okay, and divided into state by state, like continent we have a 10.45, Florida we have a 26 point, this kind of data divided into state. So any doubt guys in this table or in this format? The same I do. Click this. Yeah. So back, same, and go to home tab, copy and just paste. You can write down here. And instead of like select this table, instead of state, you can put it here as a salesperson wise. Okay. So salesperson name. See, we have a salesperson name, and right now there is a profit by state. We don't need. See, salesperson name, total quantity sold, total sales price, total profit, profit percentage. So right now we need a profit percentage by salesperson name. So that's the simple thing you can do. Go to key measure, profit percentage by state, click this one, copy, and go to new measure. You can write it on new measure. Click profit, and instead of state, you can write it here. Salesperson, salesperson name. Click this, and just we put enter. Profit by salesperson. This one, click on percent. Okay. See, every salesperson we have a this type of data. So tell me now, this one is okay for you, everyone. So this kind of data or this kind of requirement you can put into the as per your scenario in the DAX. If you knowledge about some DAX relating to this, you can put any of the situation you can put on this chart of value, border and shadow. This kind of this table are ready. Okay, so you can format this table according to this kind of formatting tools. You can click on the table and doing the formatting from this side, like style, your column header. If you want, see column header, this one into the suppose you need this column header into the this kind of color, background color you need a black. Okay, so you can format as per your requirement and what are your format regarding the every part of value as per as value you have. Okay, the total we have, the feed formatting we have. So you can put it your custom table, customer table formatting, as well as some of the style is given by you directly Power BI, given by Power BI to you. See this kind of formatting, alternative rows, bold header only. Okay, and same you are using bold header and flashy row, this kind of rows. Also, you can do some conditional formatting on this table. Okay, so same thing you can done by formatting tools. So now today we are discuss about some of the relating things like in the next page, show you that this one table again, go to date table, click on the date only because I need just date, not quarter, month and day, just date. And we have a key measure, we have a total quantity sold, total sales, and where is the last day sales. Last day sale is not sales of salesperson, profit, key measure, international sale. Let me just check. Last day sales. Okay, no need. So now we need a cumulative total quantity and we need a total cumulative total sales. Okay. So what is a cumulative? Cumulative means you are adding a day by day sales into the next column. It means, see in Excel, how to add, just you can put it the first is a reference and then you add this reference again and again and just copy and paste your data till the row have a data. But in Power BI, you are putting some of the cumulative, means doing some measure for write a cumulative sale. Cumulative means your data has been a value regarding the cumulative sales. So let me just show you how to write a cumulative sales. See, for creating this, you can use a new measure. For cumulative sale, you can write it here as a name O double M cumulative sales. So cumulative sales, see everything when you do some of the calculation, then you can always use the calculate function because calculate function is a very much useful for every part. Calculate total sales, and you use only the this measure only. So that is why we using a measure instead of an implicit measure, because this explicit measure is a reusable for every kind of calculation of your advance. So total sales, comma. Comma means your expression is done. Means you have calculated total sales, but we have providing you to providing the filter on this total sale. What is the filter? We are using a sales plus next year sales, next year sales, next year sales. So you are using a filter function. You are using a filter function for this and select all the date. First you select all the date. It means all selected. There are just simple things you can do. All selected, it means you have to select all the dates between these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all the dates you can select, and then add on day by day thing. It means all the dates are selected. It means you can put it date table into the date, and then you can write it here less than or equal to. It means if the date, suppose you have selected a first to last date, okay, if the date range is less than or equal to the last date, if the date range less than or equal to the last date, your your total sales will be the add. This kind of data you can read. Then maximum of, see, less than or equal to the maximum of date table. Just a simple thing, maximum of date table, then your data will be automatically added. All selected dates, let me just back. All selected, see all selected means it's showing the date's name. So right now we are using a date name, then we are using a calendar table. It means all selected, just some things, some measure we have written, filter all selected date table, and then we are using a dates of this table. Instead of date, we have less than and equal to a maximum date. Maximum date column. And when you put the enter, the error, just a minute, guys. Maybe some part of showing the error. All selected. table we have. Right. So maximum of calendar date table of 30. Guys, let me check. I have made the relationship with this table. Date table we have date. International sales we have key measure we have a date table. Okay. We are using another one formula because calculate total sales. This one. The basis of and right now see total. Where is your cumulative? This one. See, your cumulative sales price is ready. 3034. What is the issue? Dates YTD 69, 124. The relationship is not connected. This one is old file or this one? Let me just check. Yesterday I sent you this file only or another file? Guys, yesterday I sent you this file only or another file? Maybe this file is maybe replaced by something. That is the reason. Because not connected with the correct formula. गाइस कल मैंने आपको यही वाली फाइल सेंड की थी या कोई दूसरी फाइल थी?
सेम फाइल सर।
सेम थी। आई थिंक फाइल चेंज हो गया है। लेट मी ओपन दिस वन। Because the formula I write down, it's a very correct formula, not correct. Because if the formula is not correct, then it will show some error. Because formula is correct, but what is the issue? Cumulative sales, you can download it here, remove, delete from model. Click this one. Okay, so now we are adding one more table. So in this table, I put the date only first. Instead of complete date, I want a shorter date. And for this date table, we are using a clear measure of total cost, total sales price, quantity into product current price. Okay, okay, sales. Say total sales we have. So now we are adding one measure for a running total. No, 30. Running total of 30 days. It means that it is calculation as per 30 days wise. So we are using a For any further calculation, you are using a calculate function because you need to take some advanced function. Since after that you can just filter for table. So table name we have a table. Yeah, this one. Date table. Select dates. Maximum of date table. We have a date table. This one. Okay. And greater than is equal to max. Greater than is equal to max of date table and minus of 30 days because we need a just running total. So maximum total date table we have, suppose how many we have date table in a date table range, and great date table is greater than is equal to max of 90 days, max of 30 days, because we are putting the just 30 days to this total. So select the date table, date one, bracket table minus 30 days, minus 30, and concatenate with the date, with the date table directly. And now earlier we have a maximum, right now we have a less than or equal to, because then is our part is ready. Max, and for date table close the bracket one time only, or time and third time put it at the now it's showing the running total of 30 days. See the value of 60, 69, 1 lakh 76, 47, and when you go to the 30 days, suppose 1 to 30. See, suppose you go to 1 to 30, it will show you complete running total, and go to 31, 32, 33, 34, all the values in running total is there. Now it is a great formula, and now when you click on the suppose this line chart, you can put it date is here, because the running total value is only showing the on the dates table. And click this one into the date, put it the running total into the value, and see this kind of running total we have of 30 days. See this type of running total we have into the sales price, means our first sale is starting from the number first day, and you can also write it here as a data label on. See, when your data label is on, your starting date is 61K, 69,471. This one, see, go to the first day 6507, and running total we have done. It means we have a date by sale, day by sale. Okay, and it's completing a running total of 30 days. And let me show you the running total of 90 days you have. So you click on running total and see why we write running total, because we need a calculate of total sale divided into different parts. Calculate of total sale and filter a date table up to the maximum of date table and the last 30 days, means suppose you have selected a number one date. Okay, go to the date table, select up to the maximum 30 days, means just 1 to 30, and minus of 1 to 30, and concatenate with the date table with maximum. It means your maximum date table, suppose in this table we have a maximum date is last date 2020. If as per your data the last date is 2020 and the starting date is 1/1/2018, it means you have selected a lowest date and maximum date, and minus 30, it means your running total is only by a 30 here. Click on this. Running total is 30. Concatenate with date table less than or equal to. First we select the greater than, and now we select the less than or equal to maximum date. So this kind of running total you can write it here. And there's a many more method to running total. I will tell you in next project, like we have a next project of actual and budget comparison forecasting, this kind of project. So under the actual budget and forecasting, the running total we have with a different tax measure. So right now we are using a not a 30 days, right now we are using a 90 days. So click only just the click, instead of 30 days you can write it 90 days and click enter only. You don't need to write again and again your written formula. So you can just put the same graph, same chart, and instead of field value, this running total you can write it on a value and see your running total of 90 days is there as well as, and 30 days is also there. Running total of 30 days and running total of 90 days. You can write it here. And see, we have a data only till 2020, but let me show you in future how to do. Now, second thing we are providing a cumulative sales because right now I don't date of date table. Click on this date table and show to the date. There is a day wise date 1, 2, 3, and instead of key measure total sales price, this one total quantity we have. Now we want a cumulative sales, and I have written a correct formula for cumulative sales. But what is the issue? Let me again write. Guys, please mute cumulative sales. Yeah. So cumulative sales, we need to calculate the total sales. First of all, thing is correct. Total sales. Now, when we go to the total sales, we need to filter function using. See, in Excel, you are using a lookup function, VLOOKUP function for filter, but here we using a filter function for any kind of selection. If function, okay. So all selected, table, the date table. This one, date table, column, and then we have selected the date column, and the date column is less than or equal to the maximum. Yeah, because we need a cumulative, so less than or equal to the maximum of date column, date table, max table, date table. Now we have a date table for date table date. We have this kind of selection also. Table name and description. Return a table that has been filtered. Okay. So date table we have date table date parameter is not the correct type. Maybe something is missing. Just control shift and enter. Filter dates we have date table and date table date connection day of the month of the year date function instead of date value. Cumulative sales date value and we are using a less than or equal to maximum of just check if this is the issue, because I know all the things are right. It is correctly. See, the formula is written correct one, but what is the issue? I don't know what is the issue. Maybe some uh, collects. Maybe this file is not located with this one, so that is the issue regarding this. So no worry, I will tell you in this file. Let me just open this one. Go to filter, some less part instead of table. We have a date table here. Go to this one, date table, and now we using a measure table for total sales. See, everything will be the same, total sales, and we have a total quantity sold. Now we want a cumulative, so I need to just add the cumulative measure for it. Sometimes you know everything it is correct, but it's showing some error. So it is not your fault, or you need to just extract the file again, and after some time you can do some work, because there is some technical error between this. Cumulative sales is equal to calculate total sales. Okay, and filter just table name is a date. This one, and for a date, this one, and instead of this greater than or equal to, you can use the max function. Date of this one. See, the formula is right it here. Maybe some selection problem in this last table. So cumulative sales we have, and see the when you add the value, see your cumulative sales is there 60,000, 69,000, 1,76,000. All your sales is down cumulative. Okay, so there is a cumulative sales we have. There is a many sales, many types of sales. You can put it here. You can just enter your uh, regarding things. So now go to the table presentation. Guys, just 1 minute to go. So you can join again this meeting, and then we will put some advanced, some one or two calculation, and then make the visualization as per the complete dashboard. Okay, guys, just join after in 1 minute, after less than 1 minute because remaining. So you can join again. Okay.